then we were watching Mrs. Doubtfire, and we were both lying down and watching it, and I started crying क्योंकि एक सीन है उसमें जहाँ रॉबिन विलियम्स is in court and it's about a couple getting divorced. So you know, Aslan ने बहुत सारी चीजें मुझसे उस रात पूछी. You know, did you leave Appu? But then did you go to court? Now, because this movie was, whatever he was listening, he wanted to ask me, and he felt like ये तो मेरी तरह है ये family. तो उसमें एक सीन है जहाँ रॉबिन विलियम्स को वो जज कह रहा है कि आप you're crazy, आप पागल हैं, आप एक औरत की तरह ड्रेस अप करके ये कर रहे हैं, so you're crazy. And at that point Robin Williams says, I plead insanity. I do. From the moment that I saw my kids, I was crazy for them.
Yeah.
I was bawling. And he was like, Mama, please don't cry. I don't like it when you cry. I said, I can't help it, Azu. So yeah. It's been a good time with him.
हाँ? अच्छा, जब ये कुछ फिल्म लिखने का प्लान है या कोई किताब लिखने का?
नहीं जी, इस वक्त तो मैं I'm not writing stories, but I'm writing a lot of जो भी मेरे दिमाग में जी. So just random thoughts and random even just observations. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you know, हम लोग भूल जाते हैं बहुत जल्दी. अभी ये जो टाइम है, मैं यही सोच रही थी क्या ऐसा होगा कि हम वापस बिजी हो जाएंगे और भूल जाएंगे कि ऐसा भी टाइम था जहां जिंदगी रुक गई थी completely. So I feel like we are forgetful as human beings. So I want to just write down certain things that I'm feeling, certain things I'm realizing. So what have you been up to, Jia?
मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं तो पहले तो हम काफी शौक में थे, बिकॉज हम तो टर्की जा रहे थे और सडनली सब कुछ ही रुक गया. मैं तो टर्की जा रही थी और उस्मान मुझे टर्की में मिल रहे थे.
Oh no way!
He was joining us in school and हमारा प्लान खत्म हो गया और it was a shock. कुछ समझ नहीं आ रही थी कि हम क्या करें, फ्लाइट्स को आगे करें, क्या हो रहा है. चाइना में you know कितनी मुश्किल है, और फिर वो and worrying about your people and then not knowing कि कब travel करेंगे और उस्मान वहाँ हम यहाँ. But then I think कि फिर मुझे कुछ जैसे तुम्हारे साथ हुआ ना कि फिर वो एक सफर सा आ गया और एक हवाले कर दिया you know larger design को कि ठीक है.
This is how you cough, guys. This is how you cough.
हाँ, तो फिर दुनिया में शामिल हो गए. तो सबके साथ हैं, हम इसमें शामिल हैं और घर पे रहना है और जब अगर बाहर निकले तो मास्क पहने और 6 फुट का फासला रखें और मास्क पहने. एंड देन वी डिसाइडेड कि हम बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे. तो 1 महीने से मैं और अभी कहीं नहीं गए. इस पूरे हम कहीं नहीं गए और अमल अपने घर में वो हफ्ते में एक दफा आती है, यहाँ खड़ी होती है बाहर और हेलो हेलो करके हम दरवाजे में खड़े होते हैं, वो बाहर गेट पे होते हैं. एंड दैट्स we do this. उस्मान से हम रोज बात करते हैं सुबह शाम. And Biru is feeling it more because the people are taking him. Of course. Because we live in the compound. He has his brother there. His sister there. So वो है. And of course he is comfortable because वो cooking करते हैं अपना खाना. मैंने खाना बनाना शुरू किया. It's gone back. The other day I made curry. And so and cooking is fun. बहुत अरसे के बाद दोबारा शुरू किया. I'm watching a lot of and I haven't started reading again. Books हैं मेरे पास जो मैंने खरीदी थी यहाँ. And I think मैं विलियम डालरिम्पल की फिल्म की किताब है शुरू किया है, Anarchy. उसको देखेंगे.
Oh yeah, I've heard about that one.
I think I'm not ready to read again. पता नहीं क्यों. वो माइंड चला जाता है तो मैंने ये शुरू कर दिया which is taking all my time talking to all my friends
yes, but this is so nice. This is so nice.
ये क्यों क्या कर रहे हैं so that is keeping me busy reaching out. Now I'm not alone. I am part of the world now with you all there talking to you. So, this is nice talking to you.
Yes, it is.
I'm not worrying for Pakistan so much as I was earlier. क्योंकि I feel कि I think समझ आ जाएगी लोगों को. It will be sad अगर casualties के बाद समझ आए हो जाती है. पहले ही आ जानी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल जिया जैसे न्यूयॉर्क में हो रहा है.
आप देखिए क्योंकि हम हमेशा सोचते हैं this will not happen to us किसी और को हुआ है.
बिल्कुल
ये हमेशा होता है.
Yeah, no, my friend, one of the first cases that I heard was my friend.
Really?
Gee.
Has she recovered?
No, it's recovered. And he has, mashallah, say he's recovered.
Mashallah.
And because, mashallah, he was young and the only thing that happened was that he lost sense of smell. But again, immunity, used to play sports and this and that. And you just don't know. You just don't know कि कहाँ आप हैं, कहाँ बैठे हैं. I don't know. And this, by the way, this happened ages बिल्कुल शुरू जब
वो जो पार्टी में सब लोग
जी
वो जो पार्टी में सब गए थे और किसी एक को
नहीं वो एक कोई शादी थी.
शादी
or you travel, see, you don't even know where you where what. And thank God I was not traveling. Usually जिया ये वक्त मेरा होता है ये usually मैं travel करती हूँ.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
You know, तो मतलब as in काम के लिए, like we were supposed to go for, I can't remember what, but all those things were shifted because of Neelofer, the film I'm doing. So thank God I was not traveling. Alhamdulillah. Otherwise, though, so many people have gotten it because they were traveling to these countries, you know.
Once it's completely. Have you done a film?
Yes, Jia, but we haven't completed it.
Okay.
Yeah. Fawad.
Oh yes, I've heard about it. To direct कौन कर रहा है?
Amar Rasool. He's a new director. He's also written the story. And so I was in Lahore. I was shooting for and I was literally saying मुझे घर जाना है बस. And these guys were all like क्या हो गया है? I was like मैं आ रही हूँ ना अभी 10 दिन रह गए हैं. So I think that is also something, you know, जब complete हो जाती है film, you're at peace. अब वो 10 दिन कब होंगे, क्या होगा? इंशाल्लाह
आएगा, बिल्कुल आएगा. This will be over, inshallah.
Inshallah. I believe that.
हाँ. So कैसी है कहानी? मजा आया था काम करके?
It's such. फिल्म का नाम है नीलोफर.
Oh. Okay. अब मैंने सुना था, but I wasn't sure कि ये फिल्म का नाम है. I thought it's the character you're playing.
Yes. It is the character I'm playing, and the name of the film is Neelofer, and it's just I've had such a nice time, you know.
So
it's been so long, you know, so long. And
this is the first time you're working together.
Well, we did Maula Jat, but Maula Jat doesn't have that, you know. This story is about these two, you know, just these two people, Neelofer mein na. So of course there was a lot of all our scenes are with each other basically. So it was really nice, you know. It was like coming back as older and more mature actors and people and evolved people. And by the way, मैंने क्या आपसे बातें करते हुए अपना ये उतार दिया? ये कब मैंने उतारा अपना और कब मेरे हाथ में आया? I swear this is so crazy. Okay, I don't know when I did that. So yeah, and I think that it's been really nice. You know, my director always says, my director is like, you know, you guys make a really good team, and I was like, why do you say that? He's like, "Bas, it's just it's a nice balance, you know. You balance
And
him
great
out."
chemistry. I mean, I think that shows on screen. You know, that
Yeah,
actor.
yeah, we
आपकी
don't
chemistry
know.
अच्छी हो.
We really hope that we still have it.
अच्छा,
uh,
presenting आजकल. You are ambassador of कौन सी causes?
well, I am the National Goodwill Ambassador for UNHCR.
Okay.
And that they have been working also day and night for coronavirus. And by the way, no refugee. You know, I was asking them just yesterday. Mashallah, mashallah, none of the refugee camps have the
Oh,
corona.
shukr.